The Dolphin E70 from Maytronics works hard so you can spend more time relaxing in your pool than cleaning it. It's powerful on vertical surfaces and scrubs all aspects of your pool, including the bottom, walls, waterline, and even those hard-to-reach corner coves. The E70 has superior filtering capabilities with an industry-leading 5,000 gallons per hour suction rate. The E70 includes dual scrubbing brushes, durable tracks, and patented Dolphin swivel technology that eliminates cord tangling. The E70 can be operated with the My Dolphin Plus app wherever you are. Remote control spot cleaning and handling those hard-to-clean areas becomes quite a bit easier. The app also provides handy cleaning programs, robot operation status, and proactive care tips. Pair this cloud technology with a 5-level full filter indicator, water temperature sensor with data sent straight to your smart device, and an out-of-water sensor. The Explorer series also has a convenient pickup mode to send the robot to the edge of the pool for quick and easy removal. The E70 has an extra-large, top-load filter basket for maximum debris handling. Its multi-layer filtration system separates and filters rough, fine, and ultra-fine dirt for highly efficient filtration. Another staple of modern Dolphin robots is the built-in PowerStream technology, which creates a multi-directional water flow which enables the robot to maintain a steady and constant grip on your pool's vertical surfaces. The PowerStream technology combined with Clever Clean to maximize cleaning potential and robot navigation. Clever Clean uses advanced navigation and scanning to ensure that every inch of your pool using the most efficient route possible. The Dolphin E70 comes with a 3-year limited warranty, the best protection of any robotic pool cleaner on the market. To purchase or learn more, click on the link in the description or visit easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.